Greetings from Nassau, Bahamas, and this is a walk through downtown Island of New Providence, Bay Street, Nassau, Bahamas. Now when you exit the cruise ship and you make a right, you'll see all of the international shops asking for travelers' dollars. Now if you make a left, you'll be heading towards Paradise Island, an island of fantasy and luxury, looking not much like what we are seeing of modern day Nassau. Now this is after 3 years of a global pandemic. And so it's fair to say that on the left side of the island, meaning if you make a right, you'll see all the shops, a lot of vacancy. So what does that mean? This is going to be very up and coming for the Bahamas. Why? Cheap rent in the path of Paradise Island. Great weather, very easily accessible. And here is the shopping tip, as well as the experience tip. When I go to a place where I've never lived, I love to visit the supermarket. And right here, the restaurant and supply company is the local supermarket. You can see the gates. Are they being locked up for the night? Maybe I'll get another walk in. You can really get the experience of what it's like to live in a community if you shop the supermarket. And I gotta say, really nice people. I was in there earlier, great experience. And now I'm heading back up Bay Street away from Paradise Island. Back to the terminals for the cruise ships. I wanted to celebrate the ever-changing landscape of Nassau. Did a walk down this block earlier. Saw some beautiful wild plants, but wondered, what will Nassau, Bahamas be like in maybe 1 year, 2 years? And this is 2023. I think not long after, we'll see hopefully a big change here. And I'm not showing this to say, oh, look at how bad Nassau is. I've had a beautiful day here. Just showing you there's a lot of room for change. And I'm excited to come back. I'll come back next year. And looking forward to see Bay Street in just a year's time. Till next time, I tip my hat to the people, the wonderful people of the Bahamas. It's been wonderful, and I look forward to returning. Till next time.